Hello Tinies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are coming something different and exciting quiz. Guess the Italian Brainrot Ai Animal. Who's our first character?
Lirli Larila.
Yes, it's number 5.
Lirli Larila.
Next question.
Spaghetti Tualetti. Tualetto spaghetto.
You're right, number 7.
Spaghetti Tualetti. Tualetto spaghetto.
Who's this character? Take a guess.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Right, number 1.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Can you guess this monster?
Zubra, Zibrallini.
Correct, number 11.
Zubra, Zibrallini. Zibra, Zibrocini.
What's this brainrot?
Bananitta Dolphinita.
Bingo! It's number 9.
Bananitta Dolphinita.
Find the odd one out. Nice catch. Now recognize this character.
Burbaloni Luliloli.
You got it. That's number 2.
Burbaloni Luliloli. Capibarello Cocossini.
Try to guess this one.
Boneca Ambalabu.
Correct. Number 14.
Boneca Ambalabu.
What do you think about this character?
Bombardiro Crocodilo.
Oh yeah, it's number 3.
Bombardiro Crocodilo.
How about this one?
Schimpanzini Bananini. Bananucci Monkeyucci.
Nailed it. It's number 10.
Schimpanzini Bananini. Bananucci Monkeyucci.
Here is another challenge for you.
Bombombini Gusini.
Spot on that. Number 16.
Bombombini Gusini.
Would you rather have? Show me your choice. Subscribe or like and write in a comment box. What character do you think it is?
Tralalero Tralala.
Absolutely right. It is number 4.
Tralalero Tralala.
This one is tricky. Can you guess this?
Blueberini Octopussini.
Well done. That's number 15.
Blueberini Octopussini. Bloop bloop bloop.
Next one.
Tung Sahur.
Yeah, it's number 12.
Tung Sahur.
Only the most intensive guess this one.
Spijuniro Golubiro.
No doubt about it. Number 13.
Spijuniro Golubiro.
Can you figure out this character?
Brr Brr Patapim.
It's number 6.
Brr Brr Patapim.
Who's the character?
Trippi Troppi. Troppa Trippa.
Number 8.
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa.